Parks and Crump law firm focuses on personal injury, wrongful death, and medical malpractice. It was founded by Benjamin Crump and Daryl Parks. The two met through an SGA event and became best friends. They both attended FSU Law School, where they started the dream of opening a law firm that would help the people. In 1995, the best friends opened up Parks and Crump Law Firm. They wanted to make sure that they focused on the client's needs. They aim to be caring, compassionate, and proficient lawyers who treat their clients with the utmost respect. Parks and Crump are not concerned with the money, which is why they insist that you do not pay unless the case is won. The law firm goes above and beyond for not just the victory, but the justice for all clients.
Benjamin Lloyd Crump, born October 10, 1969, is an American civil rights attorney and founder of the Tallahassee, Florida-based law firm Crump Law. He is known for his association with the 2012 and 2013 George Zimmerman case, and for representing the family of Michael Brown. Benjamin Lloyd Crump was born in Lumberton, North Carolina, near Fort Bragg, the oldest of 9 siblings and step-siblings. Crump grew up in an extended family and was raised by his grandmother, Mittie. Crump is known for taking on cases that garner widespread media attention and civil rights implications. An example was the shooting of Trayvon Martin, who on February 26, 2012 was killed by George Zimmerman. Crump represents Martin's family. Crump also represented the family of Alicia Thomas, a 35-year-old single African-American mother who died while in police custody in August 2012. Daryl D. Parks is an accomplished lawyer and businessman who received an undergraduate degree from FAMU and a law degree from Florida State University. Attorney Parks is a managing partner at Parks Law Firm with a national reputation. Attorney Parks has also represented families of Trayvon Martin, Michael Brown, and Corey Jones. Daryl Parks has received numerous awards and accolades for his work both as an attorney and an outstanding businessman. A few of his awards include the Leadership Pasetta Award from the Greater Tallahassee Chamber of Commerce, the Leon County Small Business of the Year Award, the NAACP Chairman of the Board Award, the Florida Bar Henry Latimer Award, the Advocates Award from the Lawyers Committee for Civil Rights Law, and the Johnny L. Cochran Soaring Eagle Award from the American Justice Association. Parks is also a member of the $1 Million Advocacy Forum. Tiffany Mount, another key person who handles personal injury and wrongful death, were one of FAMU College of Law graduates who have worked with the Parks and Crump law firm. As a student, later found permanent employment as an associate. Tiffany Mount spent her formative years in Tallahassee, Florida. She graduated from FAMU High School in 1998 with honors, was recognized by the Southeastern region of Jack and Jill of America for academics, and attended Florida A&M University on a Florida Bite Future Scholarship and FAMU Presidential Special Scholarship. Ms. Mount continued her education at the FAMU College of Law in Orlando, Florida, where she was a member of the first inaugural class since the law school was reopened in 2002. While in law school, Ms. Mount helped charter the Black Law Students Association at FAMU, served as a secretary of the organization, and as an alternate member of the BLSA Moot Court team.
Tallahassee's attorney Daryl Parks on Wednesday filed documents with the state of Tallahassee to establish Parks Law, his new independent law firm. Tallahassee attorney Ben Crump rattled off the names of young black men who died under racially charged circumstances that made national headlines, such as Trayvon Martin, Michael Brown, and Tamar Rice. The talk of the town and more a socialite. Re-owned civil rights attorney Ben Crump funded Ben Crump Law with the belief that justice, equal rights, and respect was the motto. Ben Crump's biggest cases were dealing with black men who all die over a situation that has happened repeatedly over the years. He decided to write a book called Colored People, in which he will discuss the struggles and facts of black people.
Opening day was held back in 1995. Host Evidence of Innocence was on October 13th. And on August 11, 2014, Michael Brown's family hired Benjamin Crump to represent their case.
Parks and Crump's law firm is a civil rights law firm founded by Darrell Parks and Benjamin Crump, who were best friends back in 1995. The two attended Florida State University together, where they pursued a degree in law school. Since 1995, the law firm had been very successful and helped many different families all throughout the country earn justice in some type of form, where they had been beating a case that may have been taken to trial or helping someone win a lawsuit. The Trayvon Martin family was one of the biggest cases that the Parks and Crump law firm had taken upon themselves to earn justice for. When the case first came about, Benjamin Crump did not want to get involved in the case because he wanted Zimmerman to be arrested first. Unfortunately, a week went on and Zimmerman still had not been arrested, so Crump took it upon himself to get involved, especially after speaking to the father of Trayvon Martin and hearing the hurt in his voice. After 20 years, the Parks and Crump's law firm are going their separate ways. Benjamin Crump will be opening a new law firm that will be named Ben Crump's Law, and Darrell Parks will open his own firm named Parks Law. Although the two are split, it was a mutual decision, and they will equally split which cases will belong to whose firm, and they will remain best friends in the end.
Throughout history, African Americans have been looked down upon and seen as less than. Stemming from the hardships our ancestors were forced to endure, our Black community continues to be oppressed. Despite the forward movement of equality achieved by former activists and slaves, discrimination and inequality still exist. The growth in police brutality and injustice seen in the legal systems towards people of color has struck a nerve in the Black community, thus igniting the Black Lives Matter movement. In recent years, Black individuals have stepped up, becoming symbols of what Black excellence could be and what that could mean for upward movement in our society. The Parks and Crump law firm stands to be one of the many accomplishments for the Black community. Positions of power are 9 times out of 10 run by the white man, so having people on the inside who can relate to the struggles we face as Black individuals is empowering. The success of Black-owned businesses emits hope in the will for change. So many years of injustice has caused Black people to get comfortable with their current situation. Parks and Crump Law Firm is a Black-owned business that has taken the cases of both Michael Brown and Trayvon Martin, bringing justice to those who've been wrongfully taken too soon. Breakthroughs like this proves we are capable of going beyond statistics and biased beliefs.